Hello there, Amanda here. I have an unboxing from The Good and the Beautiful today. This just got dropped off like half an hour ago, so before I went into it and checked it all out myself, I wanted to show you what we got. So this is all stuff for the Botany science unit. I hadn't planned on doing this unit before, so I didn't order it before school started, but we have a membership, we have a membership to a botanical gardens nearby. So we go like every week. My daughter loves it, and I thought it would be the perfect time to start learning about the plants that are there. We kind of just go just to walk around and look at things, and there's an area for kids to play in. So she's really been enjoying that. But I thought if we got this unit and took it like maybe once a week on the day that we go to the botanical gardens, if we also took our classwork, I think that'd be really fun for us to be in nature while we're learning about this. I had the unit printed and sent to me because I don't like to print it out myself. It's too much work, and the quality of the prints that I make are not the quality that The Good and the Beautiful sends to me. So I go ahead and buy the unit directly. It is loose leaf. They all come like this. All of the science units come loose leaf because there's things that you'll need to cut out and put in different areas. There's like flashcards and vocabulary words and stuff. So instead of binding it and then having to take all those things out, they just send it loose leaf, and then you can bind it yourself or have it bound somewhere. So I got the unit, and I got the book pack, which comes with these three books. These three books. So it comes with this flower study book, which I thought about not getting the entire book pack because I didn't think that I would need all three of the books. I would be happy with just one maybe, but I knew that I wanted this one, and I knew that I wanted the game as well, and just getting this and the game was hardly any cheaper than just getting all of it together. So I decided to just get the whole bundle because you save more. So this is exactly what I was hoping for. Oh, it's so beautiful. I wasn't sure what would be inside. Oh goodness, that's gorgeous. So it's just pictures of flowers and flowers. It tells you what the flower is. Indian paintbrushes. Oh goodness. Tells you some facts about the flower, the scientific name, where it's native to, and then there's a little section for flower study underneath all of the flowers. So that's gorgeous. I'm so glad I got that. So next is Carl in the Garden. And we did arthropods last year, and we got the book pack for that. And it was good. The books, however, one of the lessons just said, read this book when you do this lesson. You can do it at any point during the lesson. You could do it before, during, or after. But I felt like it wasn't integrated as much as I would have liked. And I didn't realize that until it was too late. So because I have all the books for this one, I'm going to try to integrate them a little bit more all throughout. And this last one is Plant Hunters, the Stories of Two Woman Botanists. Okay, and then the unit, again. I don't remember how many pages this is, but I think this might be bigger than our last unit, arthropods. Okay, and then the flower game. I was looking forward to this because, oh, it's a little bit broken. Oh, that's too bad. I was looking forward to this because I thought that they were like, yeah, they're just a bunch of cards with flowers on them. And I'm not really sure what the aim of the game is. This game includes 40 beautiful cards designed to help children recognize, identify, and enjoy the flowers featured in The Good and the Beautiful Flower Study. So, I figured we can play the game, of course, but also these would be so nice to just have as like flashcards or decorative pieces in the classroom and stuff. So, that. I don't know if it's necessary. I mean, it's probably not, but I really liked this. And then this was actually the, like, for the older lesson extensions for the 7th and 8th grade, Trees and Their World. My daughter's 5, so she doesn't need the 7th and 8th grade work, but like I said, we're doing stuff in the botanical gardens, and there's a lot of trees. And this is about flowers, and the other book is about flowers and stuff. So I wanted to get something that was more focused on trees as well. And it doesn't matter really if she's too young for this, because I'm going to be the one reading it to her anyways. So, the last thing I got was not part of the botany unit. It is this Poetry Parties for Littles, Insects, and Spiders. Had I known about this when we did arthropods, I would have got it. Maybe it wasn't available, or maybe it was sold out, I don't know. But I don't think it existed back then. So as soon as I realized that this was a thing, I immediately got it. We do tea parties on Fridays, and that's part of our Year in the 100 Acre Wood curriculum. We just do a tea party every Friday anyways. But this is cool because it has, let me see if I can find a page that shows something. So it has poetry, but then it also has like a snack to eat, and activities to do, and decorations to put out with your, oh, okay, I see. Let me show you. So, this is the section of Ladybugs and Fireflies. Okay? It tells you that you're going to make a puppet and cookies and a sun catcher, and there's decorations, additional decorations. And then it goes into poetries. The poetry is all about ladybugs and fireflies in this section. So all these poems are going to be ladybugs and fireflies, and there's the cookies. And then you move on to the next section, which is spiders and flies. And again, you have activities and decorations and food to make, and poems all about spiders and flies. Thank you so much for watching.